Yo, buddy. Buddy.
Yeah.
Not acceptable.
No, I'm trying to dry it off, dude.
On my car? Your stinky underwear on my car.
Yeah. Wow, this is wet, dude.
Yeah, I know it's wet, and it's also wet. Oh, that's disgusting. Perry's booty juice is all over my car this morning. Absolutely not the way I want to start today's video. But guys, welcome back. It's good to see you. I'm with the crew today. We're filming some Guggen content. But today, I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing. We're gonna do a little cold water finesse fishing. It is 34 freaking degrees. Look how cold it is. 34 degrees. Not a fan.
Camera sucks compared to mine, bro.
Oh really? At least my camera doesn't do that. Little Stinky and Big Stinky being one rod, are gonna film their own little challenge today. Quite interested to see how this goes down. I will not be partaking in the gambling this morning, but I am gonna be filming a video for you guys, which by the way is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box and Catch Co. We are on probably one of the most legendary fisheries of all time. I'm gonna shed some light on winter fishing tactics. I'm gonna do a little bit of tipping today while these guys go head to head. For today's cold water mission, we're gonna be using this little thing right here. Some of you may have heard of it, some of you may have not, but it is quite possibly, arguably, one of the best cold water baits you can throw this time of year. What it is it's the Sakoshi bug, and it's a bait by 10,000 Fish. You can pick these up right now at shopcarls.com. But I'm gonna be putting this little guy to the test in probably some of the coldest weather I have fished all year. But I wanna show you guys how versatile and how vital it is to throw a little tiny bait like the Sakoshi bug this time of year. We're gonna be throwing on a drop shot because there's a lot of grass in this lake. And usually this time of year, if I'm fishing cold water, I wanna find grass, deep water, clear water. That's usually the primo. We're also gonna be fishing with some lipless crankbaits, some hard baits as well. Everything that you see today will be available at shopcarls.com. Right now on shopcarls.com, there are a ton of amazing gifts that are on sale, including the Mondo kit, a bunch of mystery tackle boxes. A lot of our baits, the Guggen Squad baits and Guggen baits, are on sale right now at shopcarls.com, including of course the Sakoshi bug, which I'm gonna fish today. So check the link down below, pick up some gifts for friends, family member, whoever. If you want to get someone into fishing, or if you know someone who likes fishing, Shop Carls is a great place to find some good gifts. And remember, there's only a few days left to place your order as Christmas approaches, so do it. Get some goods. I'll leave that link down below for you guys. So without further ado, let's get to fishing. I'm on a nice little boat right now, a nice little blue boat. This is not my boat, but I like it, and we are going to locate some chilly weather bass. Let's do it. Hey, do you guys have some open spots for me to like get into real quick? I need waypoints. You say when, and then I'll stop. He's on again. Look at this man. That was a 10 at least, dude. So there's the boys. They're doing a little competition, a little scrubbo championship going on there. I'm just gonna pull up right next to him. I'm gonna join the feast. We're gonna get some fish on the ultra finesse Sakoshi bug. The Sakoshi bug. There we go. Fending it. How's that drag? Oh, I think I've got something. Yep, that's a fish. We're on. We are on, boys. On the Sakoshi. Doesn't feel giant, but it's a first fish of the day. Just something to get the momentum going. Oh, that's actually not too bad. I spoke too soon. On the Sakoshi. Probably about a pound and a halfer. See how sluggish they are. Hooked up, my guy. Oh, just barely hooked though. Craziness. Definitely one of my favorite things to do this time of year is throw a drop shot in cold weather. It seems boring to some people, I know, but it's just like, it works. It's like one of those baits you can always rely on, and that's why I like throwing it with the Sakoshi bug. And I'll kind of go into later as to why I'm using the Sakoshi bug on a drop shot opposed to like a worm or a little minnow. That is a juicy little largemouth. First one of the day. Hopefully get one a little bit bigger, but if not, that's a good quality fish. The cool thing about these Sakoshi bugs that set them aside from other drop shot baits that I would normally throw is the fact that they're very durable. Look how I'm stretching this and it's not breaking. Very, very durable bait. The other cool thing too is with that durability, it also makes it buoyant. So while the weight kind of keeps the presentation down, the Sakoshi bug sticks up and it kind of flutters. It's got the craziest little action. I know it may not look like much, but this little small package packs a serious punch under the water. I'm gonna keep casting here. Usually in the wintertime, they get stacked up. So where there's one, there's probably a few other shore behind. Just slowly working it above the grass. That's another one right there, I think. Oh, he just dropped it. Just had another fish. There he is. He's back on. There he is. Another one. This feels like a good fish. We actually might have a nice one, guys. Oh, he just came off. That was a good bass. Very good bass. Very, very good bass. Just dumped him. Wow, that could have been like a Bertha. That could have been Bertha status. Oh, I think we might have found him. The key is just finding one, you know? Where you find one, there's going to be some others lurking. They like to pack up this time of year. There's one. There he is. There he is. Can't tell if it's big or if he's running at me. Oh, not a bad one. Wow, they're biting it really funny. Gosh. Another okay fish. Oh, there we have it. This guy was only just a few yards away from where I caught my first one. Just goes to show that they run in packs this time of year. All huddled up, trying to keep warm. I don't blame them, it's so damn cold. Another one. Another one. The way I'm rigging this is super simple, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed earlier, but I'm literally just taking the butt end of that bug and I'm just barely hooking the tip. I don't want to hook too much of the bait because I want the bait to do all of its action. I want to make sure it's able to swim freely down there in the water. Oh, there's a bite. There he is. He's got it. Still have it. There he is. Got him. That feels pretty good. That feels like a good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Finally, we got a nice one. Yeah. Not very long, but he's for sure fat. Wow, look at him pull. These fish are not partial to cold weather. They still go hard. Oh, he just choked it too. Just ate it good. There we go. Nice fat one. Probably about 2 pounds, just barely. Oh, Sakoshi is putting them away. Look at the fat little belly this guy's got. Boop, boop. See you later, fatso. Hopefully there's another one. They are eating it so weird. I wish you guys could feel the way these fish are biting. It's just like this kind of weird, you just feel like this little weird peck, almost like something hits your line and then I just go slack. And you just reel down to him. There's another one right there. He just popped it good. Yeah, that's, oh, he just came off. How the hell did that fish just come off? That was such a good bite. Oh, that felt like a good bass. There's another one right there. Another one. We dropped that fish and this guy picked it up. That just goes to show that they're running in groups. Crazy. Lose a fish and this guy comes in for the rebound. Epic. I love when they're eating like this. Even though it's cold, they're still hungry. The way I see it is the fish has always got to eat. So even though it doesn't seem ideal, you're going to find one that's hungry if you just keep grinding. There we go. That feels like a good fish. Oh my God, yeah, that's a tank. We have got a tank. We've got a nice one. This is a big one. Oh God, this is a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good drop shot fish. Wow, look how long this guy is. Come here. Come here, don't do that. Don't do that, don't do that. Come here. I want to make you my friend. Oh man. That's a healthy one. That's probably close to 3 pounds. Oh my God, get in here. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Oh my God, don't do it, don't do it, stop jumping. Yes, that right there is a winter brute. Good fish on the finesse. Wow, that was an intense fight. Very long, easily 3 pounds. Woo! Let's go. Nice one. Okay, we're doing some stuff here now. We're making moves. See you later, guy. Is that a fish? Yep, that's a fish. Feels pretty good. Same spot where I had that first big one. I do believe that's a tanker. I do believe that's a nice fish. Oh my God, that's a nice one. That's a big. That's like the biggest one of the day right there. I gotta be careful with this guy. Oh yeah, that's the biggest fish of the day, 100%. On the drop shot. Oh my God, don't come off. Oh yeah, that's a behemoth. Don't you come off. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this puppy. Look at the size, biggest fish of the day, 100%. Oh, don't you jump. Don't you jump. I got you. Oh, look at the size of that bass. That might be close to like high fives. I mean, that is a giant. Oh my God, on the freaking, look at the Sakoshi bug, it's gone. I gotta get some pliers. This guy's just, he done ate it too good. He done ate it too good. Oh my God. I'm absolutely shaking right now. I did not think we would catch a fish this big today on a little tiny bug. Look at this thing. Can you believe you can turn this into this? That is a winter pig, a winter Oklahoma pig. Put her there, guys. We did it. Now for the best part. Time to send him back on his way. What a beautiful fish. There he goes. Holy tits, am I cold. Even though the fish may not think it's cold, I really think it's chilly out here. Getting it freaking done. Like I said, if you guys don't use those, if you haven't used them yet, check the link down below. I use them for drop shot fishing. I put them on Ned heads. You can even like Texas rig them with a little tiny hook and a weight, and you can flip it. I mean, it's a really versatile bait. It's meant for a little bit of everything, but I prefer it, as you see today, in the winter. My hand is frozen, but it was all worth it because we got a pig. And I'm so stoked. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go make a few more casts. I'm gonna go back up to the crib, warm up, and I don't know, drink some hot chocolate. Maybe just take a hot chocolate bath or something. I'm chilly. There's one. There we go. There's Ricky and McDinkleberry. How'd you guys do today? Did you have fun?
I did.
Mike had fun. You know what? I also had fun, even though I think I froze my left nut to my thigh. I very much enjoyed fishing out here in the cold. Something about fishing in the cold, it's like accomplishing, you know? You get a bite when you're not supposed to, and it just seems odd. I gotta go rip these guys out of the water. I'm gonna go, what am I gonna do? Why do I always update you guys? It doesn't even matter. I'm gonna go get these guys out of the water real quick, and I'll get at you in a second. What did we just do? We just had a race.
Double or nothing, because he owed me money. So we did double or nothing, straight up race, and show the video. Do you want to show the video in this?
Well, no, if you guys want to watch the video, go to our second channel, AP and I, John being AP.
Oh, that's the way you guys have
It is literally the funniest outcome. The funny part about it is I was down $1,000 because I couldn't chug a White Claw fast enough. Mike actually beat me in chugging a White Claw. He's like, all right, let's do double or nothing, which means he would have had $2,000. Let's do a race. So he put on Peric's boots because I'm wearing boots right now. Just to say it was a funny outcome. Not what I expected, but we're heading back up to the cabin right now. We're gonna film some Guggen stuff. I figured right now would be a good time to close out today's video. Be sure to watch their video as well, where they go head to head and compete. I'm not gonna tell you who won or lost. Anyway, I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, be sure to check out Mystery Tackle Box and get on that sale action before it ends. Only a few days left to take advantage of those good deals. So I'm peacing out, signing out. Thanks to the view, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.